Welcome, welcome. Brain, yes, hello. I am here to help job get you all. That was very good English, me. Okay, is the sound okay? I believe it is. Hopefully it is. I haven't changed the settings, but sometimes it changes on me. So, see, this is a software engineer backend Java, which is good. And then let me do my little thingy, which is to say the message. Please ask me any questions about your job search or getting a job. I will be happy to answer, even if I am busy. Answer shortly. All right. Oh, we're pink today. I never know what color my chat is going to be. I know you can change it because OmniDude showed me that, but I like the randomness of it. Okay, so for a back-end software Java engineer, I don't know that off the top of my head. So we are going to find that out. Let's see, this is that. Oh boy, easy apply. That's probably got like 1,000 darn applicants. I do know it's going to be obviously Java and going to be probably some kind of cloud SQL, but just in case. So there it is. React, Angular, Vue.js, maybe plus another language. Then we do RESTful API, which is a given, SQL, and any type of cloud. I actually haven't. It's kind of interesting because I think when I first started, companies were very specific about like if you needed SQL or NoSQL or MySQL, but I feel like now they don't care, and they're just like, as long as it's got SQL, we're good. Throw it in, right? So that's. I thought that has been interesting in the change. So Git is one. Bonus. Extra language. And then we're going to do AI. See, the problem with just searching Java engineers, I'm pretty sure it picks up JavaScript, which is not what we want. Sorry, I'm new here. Can I pay you to help me find software engineering jobs? Welcome to the channel. Ghetto Mug? Okay, that's an interesting name. You do not pay me. I do this for free. I do not like accepting payment for, candidates. I believe I'm a recruiter first and career coach second, and I don't feel comfortable having people pay me for that advice. So I cannot directly help you find software engineer jobs. That is not something I can do. I can do your resume. I can give you tips once you have found those jobs. I can tell you how to do Boolean searches to find those jobs, but I cannot do them directly for you, and I will not accept money for it. I'm not against donations, but most of my audience does not have a job, and I'm not comfortable getting money from people that don't have money. Although if you do have a free Prime, if you have a Prime subscription, you do get a free Twitch sub, which I would gladly take. So, but no, it's what are you looking for? Full stack, front end, back end, and if back end, what language? So I hope that at least cleared up some of it. I do this for free on my off time. I do not want to take money from people that don't have it. It's too skeezy. So, okay, because here this is more full stack. Oh, thank you very much, Ghetto. Oh, man, I don't know if I can say that. Thank you very much, Mug. I appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, let me know. I do have a line for the resume review. There is about 20 ahead, 20-ish. But, if you ask any other question, I'm still glad to ask and answer. Right now, I'm trying to find a Java engineer backend job because I don't know those keywords by heart. So, and I'm just comparing a bunch of them just to make sure that it's correct when I give the advice. So, actually, this is going to be weird, but maybe .NET and C# plus iOS Android. I spelled iOS the exact opposite of how it's supposed to be spelled. Android. I want more than this, but just don't know what it is. But it seems kind of like it. Did I have REST? REST is going to be one. REST should be one. Let's see, REST is one. 24-hour STEM. CICD. Actually, CICD isn't one. Also, let me know if the sound is okay. Git, Jenkins, GitHub. Okay, I think I'm good to do this. I just wanted to double check. Oh my gosh, this has got thousands of applicants, I bet. And bachelors probably. BA, people definitely want BA if they have it. I'm gonna look at one more. No, yeah, Java. Okay, this is the best I can do with this. So let's move on to this resume. Okay. Fix that. Is that correct? Nothing is borked. Which I don't know where I got that, but I like the word borked. Sorry, I'm new. Is there a searching for a job checklist or something you have, a general rundown? Don't worry, no, don't apologize. I mean, the channel was 4 questions, so I'm okay with people asking them. Everybody comes in and is like, I'm so sorry. I'm like, you don't have to apologize. Your questions are the point of this. It depends on what you're looking for. I don't necessarily how to directly search, because typically you're just going to use LinkedIn or Indeed and use a Boolean search, and what you're going to be doing with that in particular. The one thing that I would recommend to do when you do this is, and so there's a lot of stuff like date posted, experience level, blah, 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 blah. When you first create your resume, you want to look in the past week and make sure that there are at least 125 jobs per week. Then you want to go through, like I'm doing right now, and find a bunch of different jobs and basically combine all the keywords and then make your resume from that. And when you're finally wanting to actually apply, you're going to click this all filters button at the top right over here. Click that and then go to most recent, because this keeps going back to most relevant. I hate it. You have to keep doing most recent, because the faster you apply, the better. And you shouldn't need a resume. You shouldn't need to remake your resume for each job. You need to do it at the very beginning of your search. Because right here, this is an AI data science training intern that was posted 4 minutes ago. And you bet your butt in an hour, this is going to have 1,000 applicants. So this is how you do it. And it will keep switching it back to most relevant. So you have to keep checking it, because I hate that fact. So that's something I would recommend. Also, clicking the wrong buttons. There's a link to my website that has what I believe is a very solid resume template, because I made it. So go use that if you are looking for template. And again, job searching is very specific. It just depends on what you're looking for it to do. So, what help you're going to need is going to be different than somebody else, quite frankly. Job searching is very, very specific, and that's why I don't do videos that are like, this one single recruiting trick will get you hired, because it's rarely ever a singular thing. It's a combination of a ton of different things and is usually highly specific. So you're going to need to be specific of the area of your job search that you're having trouble with, so that we can diagnose it, if that made sense. And now I'm going to do a video. Feel free to keep asking me questions. I will answer them after I do this, but I have to record for this stuff. Okay, I think that's good. Backend software, Java, and away we go. This is a resume of a backend engineer, software engineer, and it's a Java engineer. They let me know which one they are first. Yay! I'm very happy. So they actually have a solid application ratio of 50-1. Tech is in a bad place right now, and 50-1 is solid, especially if that 50-1 is within the winter months of Q4, because Q4 is a bit of a nightmare for applying for jobs regardless. So what we're going to be looking for specifically for a backend Java engineer is going to be Java, React, Angular, Vue.js, and I know JS is JavaScript, but it can help to have some of the JS's. RESTful API, anything with SQL. I say SQL, it could be anything with SQL, any type of cloud, Git, REST, and then a bonus language would be beneficial. I actually saw a lot of .NET and C#, which was shocking to me. Anything with AI, iOS, Android, and a BA. So those are what we're going to be looking for primarily. And again, I expect this resume to be solid. I think a 50-to-1 is good in this market. I know that's not, they've only applied to 50, so it's not enough of a sample size, but it's still solid. So identified inefficient usage of caching data, bear jet, network latency, optimized delivery, enhanced code, reworked Spring Boot requests. Okay, so Spring would be good. Reducing used Java, Visual PM to make memory, RAM. Presented the final product to stakeholders, showcasing features and driving positive engagement. Solid. Develop microservices. I actually think I forgot that on the list. Microservices should probably be there. For market scaling, using Java, Spring, MongoDB, AWS. Led the backend team. Perfect. So my only complaint on this is really just the order. This should be your first sentence, or alternatively a summary sentence, which I do prefer, but this right here should be it, because this is a very good sentence. It should be up top because it has microservices, which again I forgot to put in, but they are one. It has Java, it has Spring, it has SQL, it has MongoDB, which can be one. It depends. It has AWS, it has S3, it has REST, it has Redis, and it has Kafka, which is basically what all they're going to want. And there could be an issue of someone seeing this resume and reading it, and they are basically super tired, or this is the 35th resume in the row they saw, and if they miss this sentence, your chances of getting an interview drop dramatically. So you wrote a very good sentence, and I don't think I need to really need to change any of these sentences. It's just the order. This should be your first. You need to lead with this one. In addition, you should have your BS up top. I know you've been in the game for a bit, but bachelor's is a requirement for a lot of places, and it does look good. So put your bachelor's up top, very quick, very brief, one line max, then lead with this sentence and just switch it with this one, because this is an okay sentence. So yeah, that's kind of my only real issues with this. Truthfully, I don't like these sections, but it's at the bottom, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's my only real complaint on this, and I think if you did those very small changes, which should hopefully take like 5 minutes to do max, you should be getting a lot more callbacks, interviews. The actor in me keeps wanting to say callbacks, but it's interviews, not callbacks. So you should be getting more interviews. Although admittedly, like I said, market's bad. Also, if you are a U.S. citizen, you should put U.S. citizen. California. Yeah, here's a little. So just put U.S. citizen in, and then California, and then the city you're in too as well. So those changes, city, state, wherever you are, which I know you're not going to show here because obviously you don't want to dox yourself. Switch this sentence to the very top and put your education up top here. Also, maybe fix this. I would say italicize it instead of bold it, and then bold this. But that's just slight tweaks. This would definitely pass a lot of job descriptions for Java. The sad part is right now Java engineers, specifically backend, are not as in demand, so it's still going to be tough. But I think this would definitely pass unless the recruiter skips over this sentence. So make sure this sentence is at the top. Let's go to the next resume. Overall, though, very good. Okay. So for software engineers, how good does it look to publish tutorials and blog posts? Depends. I mean, it's not going to matter to the recruiter. They're not going to give a damn, quite frankly. Quite frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. But to the hiring manager, they may like it, and you need to make your resume for both the hiring manager and the recruiter. So I'm not a huge fan of that. Oh, also, this person has their entire information on here, so hold on a second. Let's see this. What did I just get? I just got a notification. I'm now eligible to get Will of Galacta costume. Okay. Okay, whatever. Marvel rival stuff. Let's see. So let me make sure this person is not going to get doxxed, because I do not want to dox people. So real quick, I'm just pulling this resume up. And move this down. And we're good. Okay, and then let me move this up a little bit. And there we go. All right, what the heck are they actually trying to look for? They are trying to look for, did that one, that's actually probably solid. Application automation engineer. I don't know anything about that, so we're gonna look that up. Have to look that one up. And let me switch to the little LinkedIn thing. Yeah, I don't know what. Is that electrical? Am I gonna Google this? Is this basically just electrical engineer? Oh wait, now I have the filter set to this. I actually now need most relevant. Great. Automation engineer. It does say application. Oh, I hope this is the right type. Jobs are very specific. So yeah, this is definitely not going to be the keyword for that. So, weirdly enough, we go back to the coding languages. I swear that is how the world is run nowadays. Questions, data, multitask, boo, bad job description. Give me a good job description. All right, Darcio, give me a good job description. Also, you put the benefits up top. You should have the pay, but you do at least put the benefits up. This is a bad job description. Okay. Must have experience in... No equivalent combination of education other than what is posted in the section will be accepted. What the hell is this? Are they asking for too much, or is this specifically a thing I have not heard of? I do not know. And I hope this is actually correct, because let me check, because I don't actually know. Just curious, why do recruiters not care from candidate perspectives? It shows communication and technical knowledge. We don't have time. That's quite frankly the thing. So as an example, most recruiters have about 15 seconds to look at a single resume before they have to move on to the next. That is about how much time you have. Depending on the position, if there's not a lot of applications, you can look like 30 seconds to a minute or two. But for most of them, especially the high volume ones, you only get 15 seconds. And if there's no way in hell you're using those 15 seconds to click a link and go to a tutorial or blog post. And even if we did, we don't have the technical knowledge to actually understand it. The biggest myth, I think, in recruiting in general is that you need to know the job to recruit for it, and that's not the case. Knowing the industry of a job you're recruiting for is like extra credit on a test. It is beneficial, but it will not pass you along as it is. You need the basic recruiting knowledge, and recruiters' job is not to find the skills. I know that sounds weird because we kind of do, but we're not here to pass judgment on that. I have done both agency and internal, and I have filled roles that have been open for over a year until I came to them, so I know what I'm talking about. That's not really what a recruiter does. It's sort of what people think recruiters do, but as an example, I have filled jobs in IT, accounting, nursing, biopharma, and management. And I will tell a manager's you know how much I know about any of those industries? Jack and all. I had nothing. I know nothing. I know jack about any of them. Well, I do know a bit about IT because that was my first one. But the point is, what we really do is we connect and break down miscommunications in the recruitment process from both the candidate and the manager, and get them to connect, along with doing screening, which is not necessarily how you tell how good somebody is. It's somebody that meets the minimum requirements, so you can then see how good they are, which is what the manager should do. So that is a long-winded answer to why recruiters do not care, because we do not have time, we do not have the knowledge base to understand and those things I just said. Brain. I will get a good night of sleep one day this week at least. Holy crud. Okay, good. No, this is actually fine. So this is essentially electrical engineering or electromechanical. So I hope that makes sense. Which is also, you know, again, the purpose of this channel. So you can actually ask a recruiter who is not the recruiter for the job that you are applying to. Because I filled my requisitions for this year. And now I'm going to hunt for more stuff next year. Microsoft, here, look, every single time Microsoft Office. This was a requirement. Paid $100K. 100K job at it. Thanks for your knowledge. I meant more having the tutorial stuff in the resume as a section. It's, so, I'm gonna, do you know somebody, Mug? I know you know somebody that you've talked to who has no knowledge of what you do, right? You said, I got a CS degree, a computer science degree, and they said, hey, can you help me turn on my monitor because you're really good with computers? Do you know somebody like that? $100K. Which I assume you do. Most people do at some point. And I get relatively similar questions on the recruitment side, although admittedly, my knowledge is specified enough that I can actually be like, that's kind of what I can do. So, but if you know somebody that has asked you to help them turn on their computer when it wasn't plugged in, that is what you kind of need to write a lot of your resume for. And if you don't, they're not gonna know. And that's the same thing, is if you told that person who you need to help turn on their computer that you have a bunch of these things, they wouldn't understand it. They just wouldn't. So, but again, you need to write your resume for the manager as well, and the manager might enjoy that later, because they can then click those links and, you know, go there. Soap, CLDL. Okay, this is bizarre. I guess application is going to be more. So that is that. Automation engineer. I have seen this before. A lot of these are very different. Gosh, I've spent too much time on this one. All right, we're gonna have to do what I can do. All right, let's see if this is it. Boy, this one might not be fully knowledgeable on my part. Let me make sure this goes up a little bit, but not enough to dox the person, because they keep sending in their resumes with their full stuff. I need you to not do that, people. Please. I do not want to see your full everything. It's not needed. All right. Let's brain. Let's brain. Let us brain, everybody. So to be clear, there's no way I can hire you. No. Not really. That's not how that works. I don't know of any service that is legit that will apply for jobs for you. I know of ways to make the process faster, and I can help you solidify your search, but I will not be hired by candidates. That is my rule. If you're a hiring manager that needs to fill people in your team, you can hire the heck out of me. I will do that, but I do not accept payment for candidates. That is basically my rule. Like I said, I'll accept donations and stuff now and then, but I'm not going to push for it, except for the free one from Prime, which you did, and I thank you for it. So, I had to make that early on when I decided to do this, because I know I could charge probably about like $300 to $600, probably about $275 for the resume itself, and then the rest of that would be with the actual job search I could do for others, but I just don't want to do that. I don't want that to be my career. I want to help people, but I don't want to be doing it directly. I want to teach people how to do it. So, and I still want to be a recruiter. Although if I won the lottery, I would retire. All right. No, we are snoozing this ad. I am not having an ad this soon. I am going to do this video at least. All right. That's good. And let's do the final video of this set, but not of the stream. So do not leave. I will obviously be back after this. I'm streaming for about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. So everything is good. This is the final resume of this video, and it is an application automation engineer. So, a couple of things before I start with this. I have not ever recruited for an application automation engineer. As per usual, I look for all the keywords and qualifications and make those before each resume. But I will say I only really found automation engineer rather than application automation engineer. And a lot of those keywords were very different, which if I had more time, I'd be able to solidify. But take the keywords and qualifications with a bit of a grain of salt. So what we're going to be looking for is electrical mechanical engineering, Rockwell factory talk systems. I saw that in 2 or 3. Studio 5000, basically any coding language, although it seemed primarily to be C#, Java, Python, CDL, C. And I know people are going to be mad at this, but there was a job that was paying $100K to $115K, and one of the requirements was Microsoft Office programs, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook in a position. Those were the requirements of a job. So yes, they are important to put in there. I know it's ridiculous. Doesn't matter. You still need it. Electrical motors, pumps, mixes, valves, PLCs, pneumatic systems, flow meters, levels, and temperature transmitters, and other mechanical devices. So those are sort of what we're going to be looking for, and hopefully I'll be able to find some of them. But let's look at this. So this person put all of their information at the very top, so I cannot show that. Also, the way you did it was a little odd. It's not a huge thing, but please just use the formatting I have on my website. It's a little bit better. So let's keep going down. I don't like this whole list. This is impossible to find what I want. So as an example, if I'm looking for PowerShell scripting, right? This is too long and I couldn't find it. I do not like any of this. No recruiter is going to go down and look through all of this in a row. This is hard to read. It's a bad formatting. So please don't do that. And I don't even know if that's actually needed. Then we have this is a contract and it's short, but truthfully, you weren't there for more than a month or 2. I don't even think you should really include it. My rule is if it's been on your resume for less than 3 months or 3 months or less, unless it's an internship, because internships are expected to be 3 months, you probably shouldn't have it on your resume. I do see OS stuff, which is okay, and I don't see any of the stuff that I was looking for on this list, which admittedly, grain of salt. Yeah, so I'm going to move past this. I don't even think you should really have this. Conducted. Also, you don't need to say contract for all of this. So, conducted functional and performance testing using Postman. We're doing Uptime SAL. Let's see, network hardwares, routers, switches, and access points. I'm going to look to see. That's not what I'd be looking for. Connected, minimal downtime, monitor performance. And for the record, this person actually has a solid ratio of applications. It's 3 to 100. So I think they are definitely doing something right. And my issues with it may just be that I don't know enough about this type of industry. But, so your keywords may be correct, I will say. But I'm not finding it. I do think, though, that your formatting is off, which is what I can really judge this on. Yeah, and you have a lot of percentages, which are weird. I know everybody puts them in. It's just weird. So I don't think you need the first job because it was only like 2 months or so. The rest of them could be fine. If you really want to put it, you can, but it's kind of weird that you put all of this as contract. If anything, the only contract I would put is for the very first one and then remove the contract from the rest of these. And yeah, that's kind of all I can really do with this one, except for the formatting, which isn't great. Mainly because if I was doing this with the hiring manager, I would drill down much deeper into the actual qualifications, because it did look like there was a lot of variables in those. But it doesn't look like, and again, this is just a guess, don't take this as gospel, that your resume is going to be a little tough to read for recruiters. So I think you may want to go back and make it a little simpler on some of the things. So primarily this, like the first sentence under each job should be a summary sentence where you just sort of explain the role, because a lot of these, like I said, mechanical engineer or automation engineers are looking for different stuff. and you don't want the recruiter to miss something that you think is obvious because they're not trained in it. So overall, I don't like the formatting, but I will say that if you've gotten 100 apps to 3, you are doing something right, depending on how impactful your market is. But I still think we can maybe make that better, because I don't think this is a very common skill set. So that's the best I can do with this one. I hope it was at least useful to you. And thank you all very much for joining me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell, and I will see you on the next video. There we go. Brain stopped working there. All right. Resume, this is 44. All right. Yeah, I'm going to take a break. I've been so tired this week, and I want to play some games before going back to doing all these resumes. And I also I think I'm ahead of schedule on my things. I have enough videos for, yeah, like 2 or 3 days already. So I'm going to play some games for a bit, watch me be bad at it, and then I'll go back to some more resumes. It's been a week. I haven't gotten any sleep this entire week. So I am, how you say, the sleeps. I also realized I forgot to change that. Alrighty. And then fix that. Has the information, not anymore. This is going to be the next one, which is another software engineer. It's all software engineers, all the way down. That's all there is. Let's launch. Do that. Take a break. Wrong one. There we go. I do wonder what game I'm going to play after this next, but what is the next resume anyway? Next resume is software engineer. Well, I do know it's a software engineer. Back-end engineer. So if it's back-end, then we're going to have to see what. So back-end software engineer. Back-end software engineer. Which, admittedly, I don't know which darn one it is. And I've started to try out other tanks. I'm still of the opinion that, I don't know, I feel like the tanks could be better designed. I think the healers are solid because they all do very different things and they seem to have very different abilities, but I still maintain the fact that most of the tanks are like, eh. It's mainly like roll, because they all seem to have very different roles. Which I feel like it's not good to have 3 or 4 of your tanks have the same role if there's only like 7 of them. Admittedly, hey, maybe I'm wrong because my knowledge of the gameplay is just mid, so that's entirely possible, but I feel like there's got to be something else they could do with that, like Captain America pushing people or Hulk slamming people. I know he does it on his ultimate, but that's only like his ultimate. Or like chucking people around. Like the Hulk should be able to just like slam people into walls or like throw them around. And Captain America, I can kind of understand his point. Yeah. A lot of them, I just feel like bruisers. Then Magneto is sufficient. Magneto is sufficient.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Ayla's okay. I like Moon Knight. What do I want? Wow, nobody's picked. All right, I will be
the cloudless night.
I will be the Moon Knight. That nobody has picked yet. Help Spider Zero return. Oh, I'm gonna have to be a tank, aren't I? Ugh, I'll help Wanda. I'll be the tank we all need.
Be wary. No timeline exists where Magneto yields.
No timeline exists where Magneto yields.
Round one, go!
Alas, we can no longer hide from the dangers that lie
30
beyond
seconds
our
before you
shores.
attack. Get ready.
Alright. I can get his R, it just does more damage.
But don't melt my ice.
It's not the actual fire, it's soul fire.
That's too awesome.
Like, I get Magneto's niche, which is anti-projectile. But then doesn't that also kind of move into Doctor Strange's niche?
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I also hate how slow he is, but I get it, because he's probably one of the tankiest.
Top priority.
I'd rather make music than do anything else. Except be a superhero.
Your attacks are futile. I feel like myself again.
Oh god.
Insignificant facts. Humans and their weapons of war.
Oh gosh. Okay, he just beat the crud out of me.
New entry in the war journal.
Oh no, it was the giant thing that happened. Alright, well I have a healer, and my healer is coming with me. Hello, healer. Thank you. Please help. Well, nope, that was the wrong button. That was on me.
Insignificant facts. I feel like myself again.
Okay, this isn't good. We are not able to siege this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. That's what I want to know, is I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Spider is more than just another nice
Maybe
suit of
she will
armor.
help.
It's my best friend.
Ice up.
Powering up. You know what to do, spiders?
Go get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Ah, both tanks got it.
I'm good to go.
And I'm being healed too, and it's just not happening. Like, none of us are...
This is real firepower!
Whee! Web.
You're up, little one. Time for some fireworks.
Oh gosh, I will protect you!
Time!
Judge, jury, never miss. Executioner.
Wee, 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 wee. I am speed!
Outnumbered.
I'm gonna miss that.
I'm counting on you, friends.
Ah. At least we broke most of it.
Only 60 seconds left.
Oh, we only have 60 seconds?
Iron
Boo.
Man, await your call.
I'm not doing very well. Well, neither is the rest of the team, so that,
Here they are. The fools.
It's the grand finale. Time for some fireworks. Sisters,
God.
what are we both Tony? We need to. The Punisher set up a turret.
Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, come on.
New entry in the war.
Alright, you got this, Lee. And then we can go back after another match to doing resumes. Oh, There's no way we just won. We just lost everybody.
The final 10 seconds.
You know what to do, spiders.
Yep, nope. Nope.
The current score
Would
is
Venom have been better?
2-0.
I don't know. But
Time to switch
I-
things up.
I don't wanna
including
be the
which
tank.
side you're on.
I don't want to be the tank.
I'm here to finish the fight that my father.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
No, you don't have to be a witch to find the magic in this world. But it does help.
Bow, 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 bow. If we're gonna lose, at least we're gonna lose quickly. But yeah, I know the market. I know people are probably going to be like, when is the job market going to pick back up? And it's
Unless you give me one.
probably going to be... Normally it's mid-January to February, but I feel like it's going to be a little later than normal. Just because of
They'll be coming in
how
30 seconds.
volatile it's
Stay
been
strong.
lately. So I really think it's going to be a bit before
Costumes. The bloodstains.
it actually starts picking up again.
I don't like to hurt people.
Which isn't good for my business. I want it to be faster. I want it to be very fast. The faster the market picks
The
up, the
battle
better.
starts in 5, 4, 3,
So
2, 1.
that
You have
is
to stop them
definitely
from
the
securing
case.
the mission area.
Space, I can protect, but add time to the mix and things get tricky.
Oh god, immediately got knocked out. Nope, nope, I'm out.
Just what I need.
Rest now, little one. I shall return you to the dance.
You're not going anywhere.
Oh god, get him, get him! Yeah, I got the shark.
Be right.
Jev, you're very cute, but you are too powerful to be left alive. Oh my gosh, I need a heal. Oh, it was right there. The shark got revenge. Also, I feel like a coat on a shark would make it worse. Because it would... would a shark even ever need a coat? I mean, no, probably, but it's a funny thought experiment. Oh no. Oh, that was a bad hit. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh no, 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 no.
Be right there.
Oh god. No, no, no. Ah, shoot. Oh well. I'll do one more and then I'll go back to
0,
resumes.
2, 1.
I just need to chill today because it has been a day. I had to download all the new resumes. I had to fix them up to a degree because they just don't. I needed help before I could even, like, review them. I had a lot of people need help today, so... I also realized today is New Year's, so probably a lot of people are not going to be here today. I did realize that now. Because, yes, it is New Year's. And people are probably actually having parties and doing stuff, which I should see if my friends are free. I don't know if they are. I don't know if I'm
Heroes
doing
can make
anything.
all the difference.
So...
Stepping out of the
Nope, nope,
shadows.
I
You don't have to be a witch to find
did
the
not want to
magic
be
in this
that.
world.
Let's see.
But it does
So,
help.
man, I love that damage boost, though. Does Doctor Strange give... Okay, so... Excuse me. Does Doctor Strange have anything that they could use with that? doesn't look like it. Ugh. That's so gross looking.
Round one.
Chaos surrounds us.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
So defense. Okay.
Warlock is a curious name for one with no arcane powers.
I didn't choose it.
No one chooses their birth name. But after that, you may call yourself what you like.
I like Adam Warlock, but maybe I'll start calling myself Sorcerer Supreme.
The battle starts in 5, 4,
Is
3.
this where they're coming out?
2,
I never quite know where they're coming out.
You have to stop them from
Okay.
securing
Well,
the
I'm
mission
following
area.
Doctor Strange. So,
Once I saved lives with a stick. Now I do it with a spear. Here they are.
Be right there. Feeling stronger already.
I'll patch you up.
oh, I almost got him.
Now, a disappearing
Man, Scarlet Witch probably was not a good choice for this. Oh, there she goes. Chaos Control! Is Shadow the Hedgehog. Oh gosh, no, 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 no. Okay, here we go. Shoot. What is the counter to Punisher? How do you beat Punisher? Because that is just... That is brutal, and I've never known how to do it. Oh no, they got that for sure. Come on, I believe in you, team. Be the team that we need.
You need to
Oh,
stop
they were not the team.
feeling stronger
I
already.
require some aid.
A disappearing
Okay.
heal.
Better stop that vehicle.
Alright, I don't think she's what we need right now. Hela and Loki. Venom.
Finally, a chance to show them
The world can create so much.
Gosh, I know most of these games have issues with tanks, but I still think part of it is the tanks are just not the fun to play. Oh, well, that was a mistake. Chaos! Yeah, because, like, I can't just... Wait, we need a duelist? Is it good to have no tank? I don't understand this. I guess I'll go back to Wanda. Maybe I can delay them with my ulti at least.
Good time to stop them.
Oh boy, okay.
Undefeatable.
So long, turret.
Feeling stronger already. A disappearing
Ugh, I can't get in close. I can't get in far.
a disappearing
Better stop that vehicle.
Oh my god, we have not gotten a single kill this game. Wow, that's bad. Okay.
Now or never.
It's not just me who's terrible. That makes me feel better.
goodbye for now.
I want to at least get up with one kill.
I'll patch you up.
There we go, one buddy got a kill. Hey Raymond Jones, how you doing? On the Mival grind? Yeah, for a bit. I'm not good at it, but I do it. I take a break between resume reviews because I can't just look at a resume for hours and hours without taking a break. Truthfully, it's usually about 3 or 4 before I need a chill. And today is especially a chill day. I'm not good at this game, though. You're not going to expect any good gameplay. Like, I am well-deserved Bronze 2, which might be Bronze 3 after this game. I'm going to do another round and then go back to resume reviews. It's just a tired day, you know? Okay, so we need a tank.
You'll need a top-notch team to
I
win this.
kind of want to learn how to play this guy. Thor. I'll try Thor. I'm not a fan. Haven't played it at all. Maybe I'll try someday. I think it's solid. I don't like the tank design in this. It's my one problem, which I think is why nobody plays them, is the tanks are kind of all boring. There's only like 2 of them. It is almost New Year's. Yeah, well, for me, I still need another like 7 hours nearly. So, alright, so this is the... What does my E do? Restore Thor for
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Thor Force. My goodness.
This conflict is growing more dire.
Okay, so just smack and spin and what does F do? F is consume it to enter to awaken bonus health. Okay, so just smack. It's just a smack. So what are y'all doing for New Year's?
The battle starts in 5, 4,
Oh, I actually don't know. I know my girlfriend's gonna be here in like a couple of hours when she gets off of work, but
is your top priority.
alright, so spin. Okay, that was not the right call. How, I guess, who do I don't know. I don't know what to play. Like, that's my issue, is I don't know what makes one tank better than the others.
Was there.
Not the weirdly hot death goddess. Okay. And then I need to... Portal? Or...
Destroy the Punisher's turret.
I would like to destroy his turret. I don't know how. Okay, and then I can do... Nope. But yeah, if anybody ever has tips on this game, please let me know, because I just don't... I don't know how this should work. I never know which tank to play. I don't know which whatever to do.
I'm opening a portal.
Can we just...
A shortcut through space. Punisher's turned himself into a
Okay, that's neat.
Judge, jury, executioner!
We are undefeatable!
Okay. Oh, God. Like, I'm not doing... I don't know how to do things in this game. Like, I don't know where I'm going wrong. And that's my biggest issue with this, is, like, I felt that was a good thing. I don't know if that's right. But, like, how do I be good, you know? I don't know. There, like, this is right. I know that's the right call. And I guess it's recharging, but... Yeah, I don't know how to even tank in this. I wish I knew how to play this game. Because, like, I understand how Reinhardt works in Overwatch. I understand how the hamster works, but I don't get why I would be this guy over another one. Okay, well, now the whole team is dead. So, like, was this the right? Nope, nope. How do you beat Punisher? I think that is my main concern. He's not OP. I don't think he is. I just don't understand it. So, like, how do you beat the Punisher? Besides, like, just regular stuff. Like, what do I need to do? Oh, no. Ha! I love that part. All right. Punisher. Is this how to give Punisher beatings?
Down to 30 seconds.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Okay. Well, at least that did something.
Out of sight. Judge, jury, executioner!
Man, I almost got him too. I know part of the thing is you need to actually hit them, which admittedly I have an issue
Final
with,
10 seconds.
because I'm bad at the game. But
You need not fear. A shield. How nice. Insignificant mass.
Final score.
maybe I should have been Magneto from the start, and then I could use as ulti? I don't know. Like, I can't tell what I did wrong versus what others did wrong and where to improve. And that, like, in League of Legends, I know because, you know, I played the game for a bit. But, like, how do we stop this man? Look at those pecs. How do we defeat that? I don't know. He's too strong. He's probably, like, super weak, I bet, too. If you actually look at, like, balance issues, I bet he's, like, the weakest. Which I really hate in video games when you're like, oh, this is so... I'm having so much trouble with this build. And then you look and you see, oh, they nerfed it. I was so bad, I was losing with the OP stuff. I do hope they do some kind of tank change. I just don't understand when I should be which. Like, I kind of get Magneto, which is sort of like a push champion is what you should do, but like, when should I be the Hulk versus Captain America versus Venom? I don't know. I do like this game, which is why I'm complaining about it, is I genuinely enjoy it. I think it's a very fun game. It's
You'll need a
kind of better than Overwatch in my mind. So
You don't have to be a witch to find the magic in this world. But it does
I just don't know why. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Alright, I guess I have to be another tank. But, like, if I'm the only tank, I need help. I guess need a healer. Just somebody, please.
round 1.
I will be glad to be a healer instead of a tank. You know, at least when I know when the issue is. Oh no, this is not gonna be good. Is there a better tank? No, Venom can at least get out.
Your god is greedy. I warned him to stay away from
Please, healer?
Can you make sure he's coming after you?
Please? I took one for the team and I'm a tank.
5, 4,
Oh boy.
2, 1.
Hopefully one of them will switch.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Oh god. Okay, it looks like the other tank is following me. I am okay with that. I am okay with their tank following me. Man, I didn't even hit him like once. Well, apparently that was the right call. Okay. Oh, you, Wanda. I wish I had a range attack. And a healer. Oh, this heals you. That's neat.
There, ahead. I found them.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Alright, and we go flip, flop, and bloop.
Fire from behind. Watch out.
Okay, that's a fake one. Ugh. I do think I should be Magneto, though. Or should I be... Okay, you know what? All DPS, no healer is apparently working. I am very incorrect.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
That was the right play, apparently. I would not have expected that. They are crushing it. So,
Hey, check this.
good job! Healers are overrated.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Rest now, my child. Your troubled days are over.
Oh, gosh. Okay, maybe that wasn't right. I don't know what tank to be. Oh, this one. This one. This is the tank to be. This makes sense. Although, again, apparently we don't need it, because I am completely superfluous to this match. I will take that. Can I throw my little thing on this? I can't. Has to be up above.
I'm counting on you, friend. Mine's in place.
Goodbye, Venom.
Plasma. Burst. Halfway there. Keep going.
Oh, God. I am okay with no heals. Maybe that I'm wrong. Maybe I shouldn't be a tank. Maybe that's my problem, is I shouldn't be the tank in this situation. We should do all DPS. Is that the play?
You know what to do, spiders. Look what just pulled out of the ocean.
Okay, maybe that is the play. I guess it's all no DPS. Maybe that's what we're doing. We're trying that. Because I'm not doing anything as the tank.
Better step on it if we're gonna get there in time.
Keep it rolling.
Hurry up. I see you, sniper.
Oh, God.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Imagine how much Tony.
No, I have to be the healer because nobody else is on the point. Who do I be? Who do I be? Who do I be? I don't know. I'm panicking. I'll be Doctor Strange.
Not to be owned, but to
What
be
is he? He doesn't do anything crazy, does he?
experienced, lived.
Your powers are mine.
Okay, we're just gonna go here.
We must and shall save the world, Tree.
We are undefeatable.
Good medicine.
God, I can't do anything. I don't know how to do anything.
My friends are here.
Okay, at least I can do
Only
this.
60 seconds left. Watch me so.
I do like his little
Yggdrasil will
teleporting
not
thing.
survive without our help. Go.
Oh, good, we have a healer. Okay. Okay, this was the right call.
Burst.
A sniper. Enemy in front of us.
Stay away.
Final 10 seconds.
Okay, Cloak of Legislation, Dark Magic deals damage, shields and stuff for him.
Let's keep fighting.
By the eye of Agamotto.
Okay, okay. Team, I believe in you. No, let me out. Okay. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, I love our little sharky boy.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
God, so many of them.
Must find that sniper.
Okay. All right. What is these? Are just regular daggers. Okay, and this is just
Only 60
damage.
seconds left.
We must and shall save the world, Tree.
Surrender your strength.
Counting on you, friend.
Use my
That's it. Don't let anything stand in
I think my main problem with this game is I actually have to hit people, and that's so hard because I'm bad.
Our enemies are near. My life is in peril. Thank you.
Down to 30 seconds.
We are undefeatable!
Your powers are mine!
Okay, so that's how that works.
We must and shall save the world.
Keep fighting until we have a winner.
My life is in
God, oh God, oh God, oh God.
I purge the darkness.
This is your big chance.
That was a terrible portal. Oh no. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh,
Current score is
success.
0.
I hate Doctor Strange. I found that out.
Open your eyes.
The right heroes could make
Okay, not playing Doctor Strange again. Hopefully ever. Try Hulk. Alright, so he... what the heck? Okay, he has 3 forms. He smashes and grabs. He immobilizes. He jumps.
round 2.
Okay, so this is a shield. And converting damage into energy for Hulk Smash. Okay. E
Coming in
is
30 seconds. Stay strong.
a little shot.
We escaped
And then this is a smack. Okay, it just does damage. Okay. This is obviously punch. So, shield, lockdown,
The
punch.
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Okay.
What is this truck thing?
Ah, okay. And then I heal. Take that, Punisher. Oh no. Well, that's fine. I got rid of the Punisher for a bit.
Render me assistance. Another bump in the... I'm
Hulking out. that's fun. That is fun. So this is the immobilize, and it is a scream. Okay.
You can return the favor anytime.
Now we hide. Okay.
Watch out.
Hulk, you're fine. You don't need to. Heal, 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 heal. Okay. That was better. That's not good, but it was better.
I'm
Hulking. Oh, I like that you keep your... Okay. You keep your ulti. Man, this, like, practically no healer run is working.
They made it halfway. Stop them. Friends are here.
Oof, this is so far. I should be using this to jump. Does my shield do anything? Or just, okay. Alright, we're gonna stay nice and cozy over here. After we punch Loki.
something here worth looking at.
Only 60 seconds left. You stop them in their tracks.
Alright, and then this is basically the same. Got him. Okay, we're fine. Hulk is just chilling. I have 4 HP. Is there a way to get it back? Okay,
Refreshing.
there we go.
The final 10 seconds.
You're fine, Hulk.
Watch me soar.
Yeah! Alright, let's do some
Final
resumes.
score. 3, 2, 0. Another epic.
Or should I do one more? Should I do more resumes or should I do one more? I do have a backlog of videos, so I am okay slacking off a little bit on that because I already got enough to set up through next week. But if anybody has an opinion, let me know. You have about a minute, maybe, before I decide on my own. See, we do have a software engineer that's first, I think. So, yeah, let's... I got a dip, so yeah, let's do software. Let's get this video set up. Okay, let's... Oh, you know what? Okay, brain. So that's good. Let's move this over here. Quit to desktop. And do this resume review. Oh, this always messes up my hair. Every time. Okay. Who do we have for this? Resume. Is that working? No, there's sound. There shouldn't be sound. There we go. Hi, Bear. Okay. So, we've got a back-end engineer. I don't know what back-end engineer. No, I don't. All right, so people just send you your resume. Yes, they do send me their resumes from my website. How are you noticing the YouTube picking things up? A lot. I used to have to basically troll on Reddit a lot to get people to submit, and now it's mostly just coming in on their own. Admittedly, it depends on if a video gets like a bunch of views, which is random, but been getting a lot. A lot. Yeah, so And again, I will answer stuff after this one video. If you're here, if not, Happy New Year's, Raymond. I always appreciate people joining. So this is a 60-to-1. I don't know what back-end software engineer. All right, we just have to do it. This is a resume of a back-end software engineer. And I have no idea what kind. So, you know, we're about to find out. And a good resume is one that allows me to instantly see what type of engineer you are. So, language primarily, because that's very important, at least on the hiring side. And if you like these type of resume review videos, please give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. I always appreciate it. Or give me a hateful comment, whatever. It helps the algorithm. I'm okay with both. So this engineer has had a 60-to-0 application rate, which is not good. Again, though, these were done during December, and December is just weird in regards to that. So let's look to see if we can find out what they are. Software engineer to present, company USA, that's fine. Company provides a SaaS solutions for blank. That's okay. I actually like that it shows SaaS. Led the development of... Okay, that shouldn't be 2 sentences. That's what I had to check. Led the development of 7 new features, close collaboration, PM, designers, okay. Design databases and schemas, API is good, and an ownership, blah, 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 blah. This could be useful for a lead. I'll call, no, don't care, okay. I don't know, oh, you're Python. Yeah, I need this here. I need you to show how you use these. Revacted, migrated, yeah, this would definitely not work. So, I don't think I can move you forward with this, and this is probably a very quick review, but here's why, and I'm going to use this to talk about what's very important in regards to all resumes, not just software engineer. It is critically important that you say what the keyword or qualification is, how you used it, and the results, like why you used it, right? It doesn't have to be a brag. So this doesn't really have any of the keywords and qualifications because these need to be in the bullet points. That is what I need you to say. This is solid. Like, this is probably the best bullet point you have in the whole thing, which is proposed adoption of the Django framework and migrated several. This is good. This should also be 1 sentence. Do not have your bullet points be more than 1 sentence. So I can't move forward with this because I don't see how you used any of this stuff. And I would show this to you, and the hiring manager would be like, hey, yeah, they say Python, but I don't see it, and they'd reject it. Oh, hey, I see MySQL, but I don't see it, they'd reject it. I wanted Django, but they reject it. So I need you, this goes for everybody, every single bullet point besides the first, which should be a summary of your job duties, which admittedly, this one is solid, should be the what, which is the keyword or qualification, the how, which is how you used it, and the why you used it. Those are the 3 key things. If you do not have those in a bullet point, they do not work. So this is why you've probably had some issues. Also, software engineering is in a very big slump. But I can't move forward to this because the manager would be upset that I have this. They don't see how you used it. This right here, even though it's 2 sentences instead of 1, is the best thing in this whole resume that I can find. And yeah, I'm not trying to be mean. I just think it's very important that you understand why this is happening. So please, please, please resubmit it, fix those issues, and I believe you're going to have some success because 60-to-0 is not good. So let's move on to the next resume. Software is slump. Yeah, it is. Happy New Year's. Yeah, it is a very big software engineer slump. That's just sadly the fact. And out of that, it seems that full stack is the most popular. So if you are a full stack engineer, it's not going to hit you as hard, but any other type of engineer, it's going to be hit extra hard. It's still bad. I want to be clear, but it's not as bad. So that was 41-to-1. Yeah, and again, it'll eventually switch off. So, oh, you got a dip. All right. See ya, Raymond. Thank you for joining. Happy New Year's. But yeah, it really, it's in a slump, and it will get better eventually. I don't know when, but it will. This is 40 what with what? What resume was it? 41-1. Okay. 41-1M. 41-1. There we go. Yeah, I wish software engineering wasn't in a slump. It's oh nope, that was the wrong button, Lee. Nope, back up. Okay. That one is done. Another software engineer. Really? Another one? Did I miss? I mean, it's not shocking. It's that there's... Oh, wow. This is almost all software engineers. No, there's another one. So, okay. This is another software engineer, which, again, they didn't tell me. So, let's see what this one is. I still don't know what type of software engineer. I'm sorry for spiking the mic. Software engineer. No one tells me. It's very important. Oh boy. All right, let's go on to this. This is going to be a depressing video. I hope this is not a depressing video. I don't like seeing bad resumes. Like, I get it's content, but that just means somebody is not getting interviews, and if they're not getting interviews, it means they're not getting a job, which is not good. So, I don't like it. Let me make sure something is not going to show, just so I don't forget, because I had somebody message me, and I don't want that to show up on it. Okay, good. We're fine. All right, let's do this one. Again, software engineer. Sheesh. This is another software engineer. Spoiler, the next one is a software engineer as well. The final one, though, is a data scientist. So it's not all oops software engineer. So exact same as the last one. I hope I'm going to be able to find out what type of engineer you are. I mean, last one at least did say backend, so I knew it was backend. You could be full stack, you could be front end, you could be backend in a different language. So hopefully I'll be able to instantly see what type of engineer you are. Also, you have, I think, pretty much the same ratio, 60 to 0, which isn't good. Again, winter kind of messes with all that stuff. So I'm not a huge fan of all this formatting, but it's not a huge deal. I just think you chose like a different format for each of these. I think the first last name should be center, and it should be 14 font bolded. The rest of the contact information should be 12.5, and everything else should be Arial 10.5. Which you can see that stuff there. I mean, it's taking a lot of stuff away, but skills section doesn't matter. Rarely ever matters. I will say, though, you do have a better skill section than most because it's at least very specific. This looks more like a full stack position because you have Java, TypeScript, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. So, web, audio, steps, sequence of development, multi-track sequence, share in, sample out, accurate, low play by Minisupo. Those responsible for level meters, visa as effects processing, implementing unit testing. I don't need, none of that is needed. I don't see anything I need in here. This shouldn't be here. I don't see anything on this that would actually make me move forward. But let's check this one. And if you autonomous monitoring, built-in mobile app and web dashboard using React Native Expo Next. This is fine. Implemented role-based authentication clerk, PostSQL solid, managed object lifecycle. Say SDLC if that is correct. Software development lifecycle. If it was SDLC, I don't want you to lie. Using an agile workflow. I think agile should be capitalized, but don't quote me on that. Workflow in Jira. This one's fine. I think that's fine. This right here shouldn't be here. This one so far is fine. Created a melody generator, blah, 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 a real section, okay. Designed a genome model, blah, blah, blah. Okay, the only thing I have here is TypeScript. So here's my problem. I have gone all through this, and I don't know what type of engineer you're trying to be. I know that's not how they teach you in school, and I'm not saying this school is wrong. I'm saying hiring managers specifically categorize people, most of them, in front end, back end, full stack, and if it's back end, what kind of language. And I cannot tell what kind of engineer you are based on this. If you are full stack, I should see all of this peppered throughout your resume. Just boom in these bullet points. React Native Expo, Next.js, and NFC, I don't know. Agile's good, SQL's good, but I don't know what you're trying to do. I assume this is more of the back end, but then you do the web dashboard, which might be more front end. Yeah, and then the rest of it, there's nothing except TypeScript, which is typically for full stack. So in all of this, I don't know what you do, which is why it fails. And then I'm going to quickly look at this, but there is nothing I see that can help. So nothing there is helpful. You know what? No, this actually is, and this is going to be a side note. Well, no, but it's not in the proper order. Okay, I don't think you need... So here's the problem. The timeline here doesn't make sense. It's like you got like 2 or 3 different resumes, and I'm not sure they're all trying to beat one. The timeline here doesn't make sense. Even if these bullet points are not necessary for this, it can be important as a first grad or new grad to show that you have longevity in a company, and showing that you've worked from 2018 to present is solid. But then it looks weird when you do this. I know obviously it's a, it's a school thing, but truthfully, if you just knocked out this maybe and then kept these, the timeline would show that you are a steady worker, which is going to be beneficial even if there's no bullet points that I can use. So again, I cannot move this forward because the manager would be like, well, they said they had Java, but where is it? I don't see it anywhere here. They said JavaScript, and the only thing I see is Next.js, which I don't even know is going to count. They said TypeScript, which I see. So please do the exact same thing I said in the last one. I need those bullet points. I need to know what kind of engineer you are, and it should slap me in the face how obvious it is. It should be blindingly obvious to the point where dum-dums like me can understand, okay? So I can't move forward with this resume because I got nothing on it. So let's move to the final software engineer, and then the last one's going to be a data scientist. So okay, 42.2. That's good. What kind of software engineer? Okay, software engineer. Okay, that's good. That's good. How do I fix this backlighting, man? I don't... All right, what is this one? This has 50-1, which is actually an okay ratio, truthfully. But this software engineer has a 50-1 ratio, which isn't terrible. Software engineering is in a slump, so it is expected to have a pretty bad ratio. Admittedly, it's November. I don't know if it's going to hold, so I'm expecting to see stuff I like in this software engineer resume. Let's look. So we have very small skill section, which I like. You need your education, especially if you just graduated. Yeah, so very quick, this is it. You need this up top. Education for new grad should almost always be up top. Excuse me. Deploy Docker side Jenkins for pre-post hours annually. Apple TV, Roku using Java, Bash, okay, this is fine, Java. Develop a Jenkins plugin in Java with Maven to automate, that's good. Configure Jenkins agents to use for reducing computational. I like that. This is my problem with this sentence, is this doesn't really give anything. Maybe Dockerized might. I don't know. Also, I'm missing SQL, and the fact that you have worked with AWS, you should probably put that towards the top. The very first sentence should be your tech stack, so I really want to see in the first one, worked in an X environment, which is going to be Java, blank, blank, AWS, where I did blank and blank, okay? That's what I want, because this is almost very good. I think you're going to get a lot more if you just change some of those. So, built a gamified full-stack financial literacy web, you can write TypeScript, Spring Boot on AWS. Perfection! I love that one. Developed the Duolingo Spy PostSQL. There we go on AWS. If this is perfect. Engineered a trade assisted WebSocket React. Perfection. Automated CI/CD. Yeah, this is great. This is great. This sparks joy. This is okay. You just need to write this like your second job. Also, this is kind of weird that you went from a intern to an engineer to an intern to an engineer to an intern to an engineer. I don't understand that, and that's going to confuse people. Like, oh, wait, because you did your master's, so some of this was when you were in your bachelor's. That makes sense. Okay. I don't know what to do for that one. That one's kind of tough, actually. Jeez. I'm trying to think of a way to do that. But yeah, honestly, your main sentence is almost solid. This is off. That's the problem. This is off. Also, I don't think you need to really put associate software engineer. You can just put software engineer. I mean, you can put junior associate, but I don't know if that's really necessary. Mainly because a software engineer 1 at one company may be a software engineer 2 at another, or 3 at another. So you can probably leave off the associate. Definitely keep the internship. But yeah, I want you to write this like you did here, because this is a phenomenal first sentence. So yeah, I can understand why people would move you forward with this. I just want to see a little bit more in the first one. And this one doesn't really show a ton. It does do React and JS. Like, man, because here's the thing. You did internships after real ones. We got to fix this timeline to make it more sense, because it's weird that you went from intern to engineer to intern to engineer to intern then engineer. And off the top of my head, I can't think of a way to fix that right now, but that is an issue. Again, though, I don't think this is a bad resume, but please do put your education up top. In fact, I think if your education would up top, it would make more sense, because then they would go, oh, you did this while you were in school, then you graduated, then you went back to school, and it would make more sense. So that's what this resume could definitely pass. I think it's solid. It just needs a little work. But I can see why people would move you forward, and I think a couple of changes will just up your chances. So let's move into the last resume of this review video. Which is a data scientist. Which I don't know off the top of my head. Yep, I'm gonna have to fix that one. All right, so this is 41.3. All right, 41.3. Alrighty. And we have an ad in a minute, so I'll do the next resume after the ad. I don't want people to have to suffer through an ad. That is 500 to 1. 500 to 1. That is awful. Oh no. This poor person. Data scientist. What are we going to be looking for? Okay. Right. So it's going to be probably Python for the language. Python, AWS, maybe C. Let's do cloud. NumPy R Skit. TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc., etc. Can I get some light in here? All right, let's look at the next one. Alignment health, neural networks, deep neural networks, natural NLP. So AI, essentially AI, NLP, LLM, etc., etc. And oh god, what is this one? Hold on, I gotta text real quick. I hate those LinkedIn prompts. Yeah, Azure, Big Data, Hadoop, Publish Works, no SQL. SQL. Oh no. There we go. Alright. Sequel. Why is this so friggin' toasty, man? Alright. Big data analytics, data mining techniques, solution. Data model. This is what I was looking for. So Tableau, probably. Tableau. Fall Creek, data scientist, NLP. Okay, I'm starting to get most of it. Ability to work in one or more languages, data engineering tools, Jira, Shamrock Trading Company. What do we got? Python, Power BI. Yeah, here's the one that I expected. Okay, I think this is mostly good. Alright, and I assume maybe explaining complex stuff. So, let's do this after the ad. Okay, we're back. Let's do this. Video solid. Resume is not up. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Data scientist. Okay. This is a data scientist that... No, it's not. This is not. That's the same resume. This is the data scientist. All right, time to redo this video. Now to redo this, because this is the right actual video, Lee. Aha. Nope, too far. Too much. There we go. Is that gonna get cut off though? Hold on. That's fine. Okay, cool. This is a data scientist with 500 applications to one interview. Oh no, that's not good at all. Okay, I'm expecting this not to be very good. So what we're going to be looking for, and I did not get all of the keywords and qualifications for this. There's a lot of them that's going to depend, but most of the very common ones are a coding language, which is usually going to be Python, cloud, any type. Most want AWS, but some want Azure, some want GCP. NumPy, R, Skikit. TensorFlow, PyTorch, AI, NLP, LLM, anything that would involve any of those. SQL is a big one. Data-driven solutions, data models, visualization such as Power BI and Tableau, and Jira, and a couple of other random things, but that is ideally what we're going to be looking for. So, data scientist with over 4 years building machine learning, engineering, marketing. This is junk. I don't need this. I don't need any of this. Skills, this is so much. Okay, yeah, you can safely delete all of this. I would not look through all of this. This is useless. This is useless. I don't know how else to say this. You have 500 applications to one interview. I'm going to try to be harsh so that you can actually get this. Get a job. So, I don't need anything here. This gives me nothing. There are I don't like skill sections, but even if when I do pass a skill section, this is so much to become irrelevant. I can't find what I need. No recruiter is going to go through all of these. They may see LLM, and then it's going to be, they miss all the other stuff. This is so much. If you have a skill section, which I really don't recommend, max of 3 lines. Max of 3 lines. So this can all be deleted. Developed and implemented a pilot imitation of, why is that bolded? Augmented generation pipeline, integrated property listing data embedded with LLM. Why did you bold this and not LLM? Okay, develop a conversation solution involving large language models. That's actually useful. And databases, semantic search capabilities, and LLM re-ranking. Yeah. So here's the thing. I have to go all the way down here to find the very first thing I need in your resume. Also, your education should be up top. Data scientist positions really like having the education. So you should have that up top. This should be up top, and it should be no longer than 2 lines. You can fit each of these on 1 line. And stop bolding everything. Gosh, I don't even know where to... okay, useless. Deep learning algorithms. Useless. Cross-functional teams. Kind of. ETL and data visualization is it, but ETL, some of them may have ETL. Design and develop scalable for GCP. Here we go. Yeah, this is all bad. You need to, oh wait, is this an actual sentence? Hold on. Design and develop scalable production grade ML pipelines on GCP using Google Kubernetes Engine, Google Cloud Storage, Vertex AI, and Dataflow. This is solid. This is an actual good, I don't want to have to scroll. Look, it's not even fitting on the first page. Don't do this, y'all. Please stop. Your resume should be easy to use and find. This is what I'd be looking for. Also, I need Python. I don't see any Python. Or if I did, it's lost in all of this. I have 15 seconds to find what I need. There's no way in hell I'm finding it in this. And the 500-to-1 shows. Leverage, don't use leveraged. Just say use CI/CD tools like Cloudbit and GitLab. Yeah, and I'm assuming you were applying the US as a, gosh, yeah, nothing here where you need to, like, delete this entire thing. I mean, seriously, you just need a new resume. Use a different format. Delete all of this and start with this sentence right here. This is not going to get you a job. This is like the only real good sentence I can find. So you need to delete basically everything else. Please use the format on my website. That is what you should do. That amount of bolding. This is a nightmare. No one's going to be able to find it. And if you are needing like immigration, that's going to be way tougher. So, which I assume because I see this was in Vermont and this was in India, but like you're going to already, as someone who may need their H-1B taken care of, an OPT, which I've done before, you are going to need extra applications than everybody else. If normal people are going to apply to 50, you need 75 to 100. And you're going to need a phenomenal resume even in regards to that as well. So please delete like everything except for these 2 sentences and have them start. And don't say leverage, say used. So I'm not trying to be cruel. I just want you to actually get a job because it's rough. So those are the keywords. None of this stuff. Just use a different format. Just burn the whole resume and start over. That's the only thing I can really say. I don't even want to look at the rest of this because it's not going to matter. So yeah, that's definitely would not pass almost any recruiter. Because look, you list all of this. They think that's BS. They think, oh, there's no way no one knows all of this. That's BS. So I hope this video was helpful. I don't want to be cruel. I just want you to get a job, and I want to be the harshest critic you ever face. So please let me know. Hopefully this is beneficial, and I will see you all in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. So bye, y'all. All right. Time to play more Vigima games because I am tired. Alright, let's do that. And that was, what was that? 41? 41.4, okay. Oh, I pushed the wrong button. That's why. Okay, we should be in here. There we go. What is my thing doing? Okay. Hold on a second. Oh, I am opening the darn door. It is. It's way too hot here. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's actually cold in the rest of the house. Hi, Bear Bear. I love you, buddy. There we go. What happened to my music? Where did my sound go? Oh, my sound cut out. There it is. Oh, I can actually breathe now. There's air. Ooh.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I feel like I should learn how to play Cloak and Dagger, but what does Groot do? Groot needs that. No. We have two healers. Then I'm gonna be this.
Just a mechanized suit of armor. It's my best friend.
Hi, Bear Bear. What's up, buddy?
Full arsenal primed.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Focus on the battle. I smell a familiar hint of divinity on you, mortal.
That be Khonshu, god of the moon, and of vengeance.
I remember him well. We were
Okay. Air is actually coming in this moment.
That tells me everything.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2,
I wonder if they changed how she shoots.
Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
You know what to do, spiders?
Okay, that guy just... I don't know why he decided to do that.
Powering up.
Didn't you?
Where are we attacking? Here.
Look, here is an enemy. Chin up.
I'm counting on you, friends.
We have two healers, so I'm gonna do the one that I can just move it along and doing the thingam whatever.
Friends. Time for some fireworks.
Focus on the battle.
You know what to do,
Oh gosh.
spiders?
Oh, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them.
Powering up. Lines in place.
Gosh. Okay, I have 6 seconds left.
They don't look friendly.
Yep, dead. Ah, at least I lasted. Should I wait for the healer? Oh, wait. This has a charge? No, it doesn't. Okay. Bye, Spider-Man. You just do what you're gonna do, buddy. Let's see if this way is a good way.
Gear up, little one. This is gonna hurt.
Man, that frozen lasts a long time.
Gold is so out of style, Magic. Just here comes trouble. You got my back. I've got
Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, am I actually going to be able to succeed on this because of a good placement? Yay.
Behold the god of thunder!
Oh, that mantis got squished. A little squished mantis. Okay. All right, buddy. I know. You are...
fireworks.
You're special. We get it. Everybody loves you. I can't, actually. Can I put
This is gonna hurt.
stuff on here? Okay, thank you, Spider-Man. Haha! The freeze! Their gods are so much cooler than mine. I love Moon Knight.
Don't turn back now.
Okay, well, this seems like a route. Oh, okay, that's just what I need to do, is I need to leave the darn door
The
open.
amazing Spider-Man!
Sad to see Deathstar defeated.
Okay, well, this is bodes poorly.
Time for some fireworks. You know what to do, Spider?
Keep a tunnel!
Ugh. Should I be... I feel like I should switch to Magneto. I feel like this is much more Magneto, because they have a lot of... No, Magneto was a bad choice.
You cannot hurt me.
I am ready to put on a show.
I feel like
Oh gosh. The sword!
your attacks are futile. Behold the god of thunder!
Okay, Magneto was a bad choice. I probably should have just kept with her.
Behold the
Eh.
god of thunder!
Get that beast moving again. We must
Okay.
convert the entire hull of Deshalia. I need assistance.
Wow, that did a lot of damage.
Brimstone kitty cat to pair.
Help. So cold.
Okay, so that's 8-second cooldown.
Enemies on your tail.
No smashing us now!
Trying to help. One more time.
Yeah, get rid of that Hulk.
Your way.
Get rid of that Hulk? What does that even mean, Lee?
Never miss.
Whee! Oh, hi.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
No smashing us now!
So close. This is your big chance.
Okay, we're just...
Friends, gather around.
Okay, I see you. Please leave.
Help, friends.
No smashing us now!
Against the world.
I don't think I need to ult. Oh, I should have ulted. No, I was incorrect. I should have ulted. I absolutely should have ultimated. Why would you
60 seconds left.
ever want to start out in Banner? Like, why do you not just start as Hulk? Like, is there ever a reason where you would legitimately just want to be like, I'm gonna be Bruce Banner now? It also feels like it's faster to die as Bruce, but...
I am ready to put on a show.
That's fun.
No smashing us now! Behold the god of thunder!
Final 10 seconds.
Oh my gosh, we're so close! Oh, right, Banner. I forgot I have I literally just talked about that.
You got them all.
Okay, that was terrifying.
Keep fighting until we have a winner. The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Science solves problems.
The right heroes could make all the difference. Round 2, go!
Okay, so what does Omega Hulk do? Oh, okay, so basically the same thing. It just better. Right? Yeah.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds.
Wait,
Stay
okay.
strong.
He just doesn't have the shield.
The worst part about
Okay.
white costumes? The blood stains. Am I right?
I wouldn't know. I don't fight to hurt people. I fight to heal them.
Well, when I'm done here, you'll have plenty of fun. Trust
So this
Something tells me I should
15 seconds. Admittedly, that's very strong.
4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Hulk. Okay, kind of like Hulk. Although again, I don't know much difference about Hulk and Captain America and Venom. Like, they still seem to be the same role. And you can still have multiples for the same role. Like, kind of Black Widow and Hela are the same role. But
Focus on the battle.
I just feel like, why be one when other? Especially when there's only like 3 of the darn ones. Okay, well, that Hulk smash. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I made an error in judgment. And Hulk go wee!
Just embrace the light.
Okay, that.
So cold.
The power of bleh. What Hulk do? What do you do, Hulk?
Shake it up.
Now, ow. Is there any reason to not use this? Does this last a certain amount of seconds, or is it just always on? Oh no. Also, I don't think Hulk was the right choice for that. That seems more like Magneto. I don't want to be Magneto. I want to be Venom. Come on. Come on. Whee!
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Okay, that is pain.
Against the world.
Gosh, this guy. This dude right here.
Hold still. I'm trying to help. I am ready to put on a show.
The god of thunder!
Oh, that's bad. Ugh. How do I defend? I don't want to be Penny. I don't want to be a tank. Who do we have? We have no one. Okay, I guess Groot.
I am Groot.
Yes, Groot, you are. And we love you for Groot.
We've made it halfway. Stop them.
Whack.
Chin up.
Never miss. Here's how you shoot.
I am Groot. Oh, that was the wrong wall.
Chin up.
Oh no. Oh god, put the plant. Okay. Thank you, Mantis.
Just embrace the light.
No! Oh, you know what? I think that did at least save them. Alright, that allowed Moon Knight to
Stop them in their tracks.
do his Moon Knight stuff. Are you a Fang recruiter? I have not recruited for Fang, but I have recruited for IT before. Most of my recruitment has been all over the place, but I do have a very good knack for IT. Why? What's your question?
You'll want to protect your
I need assistance.
I would. Sorry, I didn't mean to be rude about that. I would genuinely want to answer your question. I'm just distracted because I was reviewing a bunch of resumes today and I'm tired. So, genuinely would like to ask your question. And I do know Fang has some slight hiring differences than probably some of the other places I've been, but I've hired a lot of software engineers, so I could still at least give you, insight over it. Okay, so this will give me health.
Anything could hurt me.
Okay, so we're gonna get a commercial soon, unfortunately. Oh, Jesus, smacked him in the face. Oh, no. Okay, we hide over here. 16 seconds. I think that's a win. Oh, we're gonna go into overtime though. Crud.
Keep fighting until we have a winner.
I feel like I saw somebody up there. Oh, that was bad. Alright. I panicked. I should have just waited. Ow! Man, I really hate tank. Like, I do like Groot, but ugh. Okay, so this just...
Jury, executioner!
Come on, Moon Knight. I believe in you. That was a bad ultimate on my part, but I believe in you.
Executioner!
The spider controlling my suit is small, but
Okay,
fierce.
I think
Just like me.
that works.
Have my revenge on Null.
You're up, little one.
Down to 30 seconds.
Mine's in place.
Your arrow cuts through the air.
A feast for my crows!
You're up, little one.
I bring hell down on their heads.
Time for some fireworks.
The final 10 seconds.
Mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Never thought I'd miss out.
Oh, no.
Powering up.
That's 9 seconds. Winner.
Oh, that was a real good Spider-Man.
I'm ready to put on a show. I'm counting on you, friends. Punisher has a trap. Time for some fireworks.
Oh my god, why did this get so crazy all of a sudden?
Fireworks. You're up, little one.
We just gotta hold out for however long this darn thing lasts.
Soaring. This is gonna hurt.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Oh, come on. This is so close. Did we just lose? Did we go into overtime?
Don't count us out
Oh,
yet.
no, 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 no. Oh, crud.
The current score is
Oh.
3, 2, 3.
Use F to swing. You're right. Oh, you're right. You're absolutely right.
Including which side you're on.
You're right. I should have done that, Clem. You should have seen it. I was doing good.
Make him proud.
Crud, I still have to be the tank, don't I? Are we attacking? No, we have to attack. Let's No, because they're all okay, so they're all a bunch of bruisers. Who do I use for a bunch of bruisers? Is that Hulk or is that Penny?
I'm here to finish.
Because they're all just like a bunch of in-your-face dudes. I think maybe Penny. But I do need to use the F button.
Round 3,
The
go!
spider controlling my suit is small, but fierce. Just like me.
Is like what? When would you want to use Hulk over Penny? I guess is my question.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Where'd you get them back?
It was my dad's. He died piloting it, and then.
Also has to escape and reset. You're right. So I should use that more.
Revenge. I just want to carry on his work.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
The battle starts in 5, 4.
3, 2, 1.
Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top.
Okay, bye Venom.
Seconds left.
Not sure what the point of that was.
Must be stopped.
Oh god, okay. I think this is where I make a stand.
This is gonna hurt.
Hello? There we go.
Down to 30 seconds.
Oh god, 30 seconds? Okay.
Mine's in place.
no. Okay, 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 okay. You know what? Thank you. That reminded me of how to use that correctly. I think I did that correct. Not overtime, dude. No.
Time for some fireworks.
Ugh.
Come get that vehicle to its destination.
I'm counting on you, friends. The Punisher set up a turret.
Oh, no, no, no. Get out, get out, get out. Okay. Okay, Clem, now that you're here, what's a counter to Punisher? Like, how do you stop the Punisher when he's doing his thing? Not his ultimate, but his turret. You don't know? Okay, fair. It's just, I don't know.
Time to switch
And yeah,
things
people
up.
can ask me recruiting questions, to be clear, while I'm doing this. Which, weirdly enough, me playing games and answering recruiting questions seems to be more popular than just the reviews. But I also know it's the holidays, so anyway, Happy New Year's, Clem. I really wish I wasn't have to be Tank. I hate Tank. I do like the mines. I just hate her ultimate. Not that it's bad. It's very good. It just doesn't feel fun. Probably hide behind stuff. If he's turret mode, he's immobile. Okay. They just pick like a perfect position. Like, I know it's not OP. I don't know the counter for it. Because like a lot of the stuff, I'm like, I know there's a counter. This isn't broken. I just physically, I don't know how. Whee! Spider Penny, Spider Penny. Let's see. Let's do here.
You know what to do, spiders?
Because I think they come from here and here.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whee!
You have
Whee!
to stop them from securing the mission area. Only 60 seconds left.
Whee!
This isn't my first trip through the multiverse, you know.
Our enemies are here. Oh, I need assistance.
Okay, I got distracted. Okay, I need to stop doing that. I'm just being bad.
Time for some fireworks.
Okay, so this turret can't go on the wall.
30 seconds.
This is gonna hurt. Systems restoring.
Got him. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, come on.
You know what to do, spiders?
Fight alone.
Oh, itch, itch, itch.
The final 10 seconds.
Okay, neat. All right, I'm gonna play another game, but I gotta use the restroom real quick, so I will be right back.
Another epic victory. Big win.
Okay. We art back. We are Venom. Bum 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 bum. Please don't let me be tank. I don't want to be a tank. I mean, I'd be a healer. I kind of got to learn the healers, but... Something about Jeff in a raincoat bugs me, and I don't know why. I think it's because, like, it's just a bad idea to put something that goes in the water in fur, unless it's seal's
My
fur.
heroes could make all the difference.
Never played Black Panther, but I'm not going to start now.
You don't have to be a witch to find the magic in this world, but it does help.
Yeah, it could be... Yep, there's Moon Knight. There's always a Moon Knight. Oh god, okay. So... Alright, this is actually almost balanced. Also, AKSR, I don't know if you're still in the chat, but you could still ask me other questions. Because I know the software engineering market right now is really bad. Assuming you're in software engineering. You might not be. There's other stuff that Fang does besides SWEs. Oh god, my Twitch is going again.
Try to do the right thing, but people always end up thinking I'm crazy.
I know exactly how you feel.
I mean, it's not my fault an Egyptian god whispers in my brain and tells me who deserves his righteous vengeance.
Okay, so maybe not exactly.
The battle starts
Do
in
I
5,
do here?
4, 3, 2,
Are we attacking? No, we're defending.
You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
See, you know what? I think Wanda is good against Punisher because she could sneak behind him, but
Needs to be taken out.
that's what I'm just waiting for.
We have company.
Please, we're hurt.
Oh god. Nope.
That really helped.
Hold still.
Oh, that was lucky.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
Ugh. Oh no. I don't know how to beat that combo. That's a good combo. At least my ultimate will be good. Okay, who are we facing? A bunch of chargers. How do you... Maybe Wolverine, because I can knock Groot off? Like... Oh. Waiting for my team. Then again, I am giving Magneto a
Stop that
bonus.
vehicle in its tracks.
Disappearing.
Better stop that vehicle.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, we're out. Chaos control! Where's our... Why is it just me and Adam Warlock? Where did everybody go? Okay, we gotta bust him down. I think that's Wolverine, because their tank is leading the charge. And I know he's a tank buster.
Better stop that vehicle.
Although I'm not very good with hitting it, his thing. Okay, this is...
I am ready to put on a show.
Oh, I have no idea what's happening. This is too deep for me. Okay, that was too deep. Okay. I actually think Wolverine is the right choice. I do need to wait for my team, though, and not charge in like a fool. Although, his ultimate is hard for me to use, truthfully. Okay, will be.
Even better than my mutant power. Time has passed.
Okay.
You need their power.
Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We wait for Groot. We charge Groot. There's Groot. We wait for him to come in. We stop the tank. That is our job.
You're out of your league, bub. Something here worth looking at.
Nope, nope. That's all we do. What is your purpose? You stop tank.
Don't worry, Max.
Just a bunch of people clawing each other. Okay, we're fine. Need to wait for my cooldowns, which I wish were shorter. Oh, hi, Groot. God, I'm so bad at aiming this! I can never aim his ultimate! Oh no. Oh, hi. Okay.
Stop them in their tracks.
Nope.
All shielded up.
Okay.
Look who just showed up.
Okay, we're fine. We're hiding.
Never heard.
We're running. Is there anybody I can do to grab? No, I made it worse. I made it worse. I made it all worse. That was the opposite of a good idea. Alright. You have one job, Lee. You kill Groot. Then if you do whatever else, that's fine. All you do is you beat Groot. That is it.
Even better than my mutant power.
Seems we have company.
Nope, nope, nope. There no Groot.
Only 60 seconds left.
This is it. This is a failure. It was a failure on my part.
You're out of your league.
There's still a
Yeah.
chance to stop them. Better stop that vehicle.
Okay.
Down to 30 seconds.
Well, this wasn't ideal, but at least I got one person away.
Now might be a good time to stop them.
Oh no, no! I'm so bad.
The moon. Still scrapping. That was
Oh, how bad am I? Okay, that's not good, but definitely worse. Okay. Where Groot? Hunt Groot. Groot is target.
You need their power.
Better stop that vehicle.
I didn't even get a chance.
Don't grow like a girl.
Only 60 seconds left.
Oh no. Okay, I did it. I got the tank. I did my job.
Down to 30 seconds.
very nice.
I don't think it was enough, and I think everybody else died in the process, but I did what I think my job is.
The final 10 seconds.
Judge, jury, executioner.
Ugh. Okay, there we go. That actually worked.
The current score is
I kept
0
the tank
to
away.
2. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Okay, so we're going to be
Anyone stands in my way,
defending
they
and
won't be
attacking.
standing much longer.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
probably
I tear
Moon
to the
Knight.
cloudless night, just like the moon.
Round 2.
Gives me strength.
Okay, so now we just wait.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Saving the world one more time, right, Tony?
That's what we do, Bruce. That's what we do.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
You guys are actually here, right? Or am I imagining this?
Okay, there's that guy.
Foes have arrived.
Now Punisher is turned again.
The hell? Oh God, Wolverine. Okay. I was hoping to try to get into position to get.
Wasn't very nice.
Okay, that was bad.
Need their power. Needed that, thanks.
Okay, Moon Knight was a bad idea. Maybe Black Widow.
Sorry, no revivals here. Our foes have arrived.
Okay, I may not be able to kill Punisher, but I can knock him out of his turret.
Let's take control.
God, I wish I could aim.
I am Groot!
Ooh, that was a good one.
Punisher turned himself into a weapon. Never bring Earth guns to a space gun fight, Frank. The Cosmos heal.
That knocked me off. Thanks.
They're up ahead. Noel's followers.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Serve this area. I require.
Okay, now we are talking. Well, that could have been a part where I did that well.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Oh God, okay.
My armor's got a lock on a bogey.
This is real firepower!
Okay.
I blew Rocket Jam. I have found more lost souls. Piece of cake.
Okay, that was
That put a spring in my step.
kind of okay.
The Cosmos heals you.
I mean, he's behind us, but I don't know if that's actually a problem.
Barrel's still cool. Don't let go. Another one bites the dust.
Quantum magic. All eyes on this spot.
I also wish you could, Yang, can you brighten your camera? It looks gray and gloomy. That's fair. I don't know if I can do that right now. Can...
Oh, they do not look happy.
Oh, crud. Okay. After this match, I will try and fix it.
Every little bit helps.
I am a recruiter. I honestly am still working out all this social media stuff. No, I didn't want to go back! I know how to get people jobs. Less so camera angles. Okay, let's go over here.
Rise, my friends!
Oh, I gotta get the Punisher. I am going the wrong way. Oh no, you're talking to me like you don't know me. Oh, in Panda B. I think I do now. I think I do know you. I'm glad you stopped by, finally. Haha. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I think I do. I think I do.
60 seconds left.
I know, you never really do. Ugh, I will figure out how to fix the camera. How bad am I doing? Pretty bad. Yes, I am the worst on my team, and I don't want to count the healer because, like, sometimes as a healer, you're not going to have a good score. So.
Down to 30 seconds.
Judge, jury, executioner!
This is real firepower!
Oh, no, 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 no. So how have you been? Oh, no. They can see your score in this one. Point. Okay, you're right. Oh, I went the wrong way. I'm so bad at this game. Where's the point? Okay. 2, 1. Oh, got him. Okay. I am learning how to aim.
60 seconds left.
Okay, I should not have said that. I have been good as well, Panda. Ah, aha. No. God, I want to use the ultimate, but I'm in a bad spot.
Down to 30 seconds.
No, I tried to use my escape. Okay, as long as there's like one person on there.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
Oh, this was a bad idea, wasn't it? Or not. Yeah, this was a bad ulti. Well, I got the Punisher at least.
Sorry, no revivals here.
Jeff is adorable and a jerk.
Double KO.
Okay, I got Wolverine.
Punisher's turned himself into a weapon.
Okay. Jeff looks so cute. Oh, and Ada's playing. I hope you were happy. I am not happy about ads. Alright, how do I fix my camera?
Another epic victory. Big win.
Okay. Oh boy. Okay, you can hear me now? Good. Oh. Hey love, I'm still streaming. What's up? Okay, no worries. I love you. Bye. Alright, we're back.
The right heroes can make all
Let's
the
try Hell. I
difference.
like Hella.
Escapes hell.
Her costume is neat as well. I really like this cloak. But I'll probably do one more match and then not. But is this better? Is my camera now brighter so that you can see me in all my glorious pastiness? Yeah, her colors are sweet. Or should I be... No. Okay, should I be Lunar Force? I like him. Okay, cool. I moved the... I need a better light, because I don't know lighting. So, you want to be blinded by my skin? That's creepy.
Round one, go!
That's... You're gonna, like, Clarice me? Is that what you're gonna do, Panda?
Stay strong.
Who the hell are we facing? It's not as creepy as me wanting your skin. Don't want my skin. My skin belongs to me. Lol.
Then at least we can find
The battle starts in 5, 4,
So what game are you playing now recently, Panda?
1.
I watch our soul coming up.
You need to stop that vehicle.
Oh lord, nope. I am not going in there. Moon Knight? Moon Knight.
Here's this life.
We should destroy these arcs.
You still play League? I haven't played it since that antivirus thing they put in. I just don't like how it messes with your computer. I think if they change that, I would probably go back to it.
I watch our soul. We're finding our groove.
Haha, nice. Yeah, Vanguard. Don't look at chat, look at the enemies. You are my enemy. That's why I can look at it.
I watch our soul.
Oh god.
A nice deep freeze. Here they come now. Destroy these unks as soon as you
Nope.
see them. I have destroyed that troublesome unk.
The moon haunts you.
Yeah, I hate Vanguard. Otherwise, I would still play it. I would like to. I'm just not comfortable having that on my work computer. Which this technically is my work computer.
I'm barely harmed.
I don't have to be center stage.
All wrapped up.
I've also been playing Cyberpunk, but that's in my off time. So. Oh god! I just instantly died. I'm gonna Moon Knight though.
Khonshu guides me. Just
I hate you. Oh, you don't have a separate. I have a game computer and a work computer, and I just got this work computer. It's new. So, my twitches. Stupid neck twitches, man. But yeah, I've been playing Cyberpunk on my gaming computer, and it is amazing. I love it.
the power.
Darn it. Where'd she go?
I'd know that Ankh anywhere.
I know that Ankh anywhere.
Rest easy now. You
This was Khonshu's.
I am ready to put on a
Oh,
show.
can't do anything while she's doing that healing. I want to see you play Overcooked with your lady. What is Overcooked?
Surrender your strength.
Darn it.
Only 60 seconds left.
I don't know if she'd want to be on stream. She's very much, I don't think, would want to do that. It's an anxiety-inducing game where you quick mix foods. Okay. Yeah, I don't think my girlfriend would want to be on stream. I would be glad to have her.
We
I
should destroy
don't
these orcs.
think she would want to. No, that was a bad idea on my part. But she is going to be home soon, which is then I'm going to end it. Even if it's just her voice, I don't know. Probably not. She very much doesn't like to be on video camera stuff that much. So she's very much she would rather have somebody else get the attention instead of her.
Final 10 seconds.
And she is sociable. She just doesn't like being like that. So. No, press it! I pressed it! Okay, good.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Chin up. I am barely harmed.
I am vengeance.
So I will let her know that the Panda Bee wanted to hear her voice. So maybe that will change her mind. But how many players is Overcooked? Oh no, that's not good. Oh, that's bad. That's also bad. Okay, I'm doing poorly. Who do I be? Who do I what? Who am I? I am Spider-Man! I want to learn how to play Spider-Man. Okay, so this is my web swing. This is my... What the hell is my E? Get over here.
I am ready to put on a show.
Okay.
Now I got you.
Still a chance to stop them.
Dinner that has made chicken soup. Spider Fist is ready to punch.
Oh god.
Here's an up.
I have 1 HP!
The perfect hex.
Overcooked 2 supports up to
Only
4
60
players.
seconds
Okay.
left.
I am just here to delay until my team comes. Oh! I only get 1 Spider-Man? No! Someone just switched so that she can do stuff. I'm the Spider-Man so Squirrel Girl can run.
Down to 30 seconds.
Everybody gets 1. Okay.
We are undefeatable.
No, no.
Checkpoint.
Everybody's dead.
Oop, found a bad guy.
This is,
That's
Nope, nope, she sees me! It's not spiders hidden. Oh my god, I have 2 HP left. No, that is the wrong place.
It's now or never. Stop them. My friends are here.
Alright, I am gonna go in an ulti, though. It was working, yeah. How bad am I? I had a kill lead, and now I am not.
Only 60 seconds left.
Alright, so I can jump in and do damage. At least.
It's the grand finale.
Don't mess with the
I am
amazing
ready to put on a
Spider-Man.
show.
Nice. Round and pound.
Mutant kind!
Down to 30 seconds.
Yeah, I got the healer. I did my job. I did my job.
Co-op time.
Speed.
10 seconds.
Nope, wrong button. I am Spiderman. God, it's so confusing. Can you get the healer? That's the goal.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Yes? The answer is yes, I can get the healer. That was worth it. 1-to-1. I am okay trading my life for the healer. Although I am now seeing everybody else dead, so I guess it wasn't working.
The current score is
0-2.
2-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Okay. I almost did it.
I'm your friendly neighborhood
I
Spider-Man.
almost did it.
Only my neighborhood is now like.
You'll need a
Oh no, they're gonna be
top
Wanda.
to win this one.
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it, Celts. I'm gonna do it. The Pans. The Pan-dimensional bee. I don't know how to use the missiles, though.
Round 2.
People want to be led, I want to be in charge. Win-win.
Alright, nope.
Has been invaded yet again. But as always, Loki shall prevail.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
How do I use these missiles?
What's on your mind, Tony?
I'm just wondering if you can get an arrow through one of the eye holes in Doom's mask.
I'll customize one just for that.
Good man.
Oh. I am Iron Man.
The battle starts in 5, 4,
Lock on to this
3,
location.
2, 1.
Lock on to this location.
Okay, we're gonna wait for everybody.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Anyone say fireworks?
I did it. That was bad. Okay.
I like the cold.
I am a true team player.
Hit the off.
Bombs away.
We won't stop until the tapping is stopped.
Wonder, my dear.
Got one in my
Must
sights.
preserve my charge.
See, this is why I like Iron Man, because I don't have to hit.
Bombs away. Ah, that's better.
Also, I get to see everything.
You're halfway there. Keep
Oh, I am way
going.
too far away. Ow. Stop it. Stop it. No! Oh, no. That was hella. That makes sense. Invincible pulse cannon.
Have to be center stage.
I am flying.
Bombs away.
Okay, so that's kind of like goes down a little bit.
Powering up. Bombs away. Anyone say fireworks? Feeling good again.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Seeing arc, destroying arc.
Sorry to ruin your fun.
Oh, why can't I fly over the building? Honestly, I feel like this will probably be the right choice.
You don't have to run away from your past. Just look it in the eye and say, I'm better than that now.
Glad to help.
I am stealth.
The perfect hex.
For mutant kind!
Oh my god.
Ready to
Hits the
Here's how you shoot.
I am not good at this game.
Move all you want. I'll just aim where you
Can't
work.
move over.
The moon haunts you!
Eh! Hurry up!
only 60 seconds left.
Clint's down. Somebody help him.
seconds.
Yeah, I'm not gonna win this. Because I'm bad, but that's okay.
If you see my brother,
It's the
tell him I
grand
miss him.
finale. We need you back. Raise the light. Help. The final 10 seconds. Pick up behind you.
Your powers are mine! Unleash!
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Survive this.
Ah. Alright.
Final score.
That was lost. That's fine. That was
3.
my fault. Yeah, that was my fault. I hope everybody has a very happy new year. I will be back tomorrow at 11 a.m. PST. You did sit down. So I'm going to raid a channel. Let's find a channel to raid. And I wish everybody a happy New Year's. Because, yeah, it's the time to which people do the stuff in the New Year's. So let's do Ye Olde Dad, because he has a really interesting thing. It's crazy cool. Basically, he reviews like old game shows and goes along with them. So we're going to go with that, and I will see you all tomorrow at 11 a.m. So, yeah, that's all I can say. Thank you very much. Bye, y'all. Appreciate it.